Hey guys, good morning. I just got this box in from AliExpress and haven't opened it yet. So I ordered it maybe 2 weeks ago, and then I was on vacation when it came in. So I did not open it immediately. But there's a bunch of things. Well, there's really one thing in particular that I went on AliExpress for, which was a double pen leather holder loop thing, which typically the ones you see online, people are getting them from Superior Labor, but Superior Labor has been out for as long as I've been checking, for months and months. So it wasn't a function of the cost of it. It was just that I really wanted to get this thing, and it hasn't been in stock in forever and a day. So I just went ahead and ordered it on AliExpress, and I actually saw people online saying that they're really good quality, etc. So we'll see. But of course, I ordered a whole bunch of other stuff while I was at it because I was putting in the order and I was trying to hit shipping. So no idea what I'm going to do with this. My son will probably steal it from me, but it's this really pretty little potion bottle a la Harry Potter, and just thought it was cute, and I'm sure I will find some use for it. Let's see. Well, it looks like they threw some freebies in here because I definitely did not order this little bow. Cute. And then love this. Definitely will put this on my coffee traveler's notebook. So it's got a little bean and a little cup and a little spoon, and it's absolutely adorable and on a really nice big clip like I like. So that was kind of them. Okay, let's see what else. Do you ever order too much and not remember at all what you got, and it's like a surprise? I unfortunately am guilty of that. So these I do remember ordering. They are golden snitches on paper clips, and one is definitely for my son and one is for me. He has a little traveler's notebook that is all Harry Potter. We started it when we went to the Wizarding World in Orlando. And so this will look great in his. Let's see, what's this? This is also another freebie because, let's see, another little charm on paper clip, and it looks like, I'm gonna say this wrong. I think it's dragon fruit slices, but definitely like a little tropical fruit type thing. Very cute. Okay, let's see. Being careful not to cut where I'm gonna cut something in half. Aha, so these are leather. I'm trying to remember exactly. Okay, so it is a leather pen, like a little chunky fountain pen, and another little like an ink. Oh, okay, it's really thick leather, and it's a little ink bottle. Very, very cute. I think I had originally bought these because I was gonna tie them in on the, well, let me get my TN. I was thinking if it tied here, it would look fun, but you could also just take this off of here and make it a bookmark, put a longer string on it, make it a bookmark, put it around here, of course. This is really nicely done though, so I don't know. Very, very cute. Love these. And like I said, the leather is very thick. Okay, so those are adorable. It's a little hard to see through all the packaging to make sure you're not gonna. Okay, sensing a theme here. Here's another Harry Potter, 9 3/4. So my thought with this is that it would actually be a band around here. And yeah, I love that. Very cute. I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that it would fit around top to bottom on a passport. But this is a nice little thing. And yeah, that's what I was expecting. Nice. Okay. Haven't come across the actual reason I made this order yet, so we'll see. Okay, so these are plastic clips that go on the top, like this. I'm gonna have to test it out because it doesn't seem like, my initial reaction is that it's not gonna be strong enough to actually hold a traveler's notebook open. But it's definitely strong enough to hold some papers together. So it's definitely very functional, but originally, oh, now this one actually has a much stronger clamp. But I like this one better. So anyways, we will see, but these were supposed to be going on my, my cafe, traveler's notebook. So this one I bought knowing I would need to alter it. This is meant to fit into a 3-ring binder, and it's really cute. I like it. Probably can sit up far enough that it is a sort of page flag. But I bought it thinking I was gonna cut this off and put this in, use it either as a patch or something along those lines. It's really nice looking. And again, is using that really thick leather, and the tooling is perfect. So anyways, really, really love this. And actually you could probably even like paint it or do something cool with it. Okay, let's see. I think this is what I ordered for. Okay, so here is a double pen loop. And so right off the bat, you can see one of the pen loop considerably larger than the other. In fact, you may even be able to get two. So okay, so this is my Sailor 911, the smaller one. I think they call it the slim. And then let's see, will a Quebeco fit in here? I can already tell that it will very easily stretch. So I can get this one to fit whatever I want here. Yeah, that's gonna stretch, which is a good thing in my book. But, and then I was also just thinking that you could probably, if you really wanted to, fit 3 in here, do this, and then use this clip for 2 things here. So like a daily pen and then this. But it definitely feels nice. The question is, and the reason that I was so dead set on getting one of these, and I was stalking Superior Labor for the longest, is that I wanted something that I can put on. Ooh, shoot. Okay, well, I think this might already be answering the question. So I wanted something I could put on here and it was not going to move around. So I will just show you. And if you have one of the Traveler's Company pen clips, then you know that this thing just, it's a total, to me, it's a waste because it will not stay in place. You put it on, and then every time you take the pen in and out, it's pulling down. So let's see if I can get this on. I'll move the box. So okay, I can tell you it's much, much stronger than the other. Okay, so let's just put this in. Yeah, look at that. It's coming in and out, and it's, you know, there's a lot of tension on here, or there's a lot of pulling when you're doing it, but this is not moving anywhere. So that's exactly what I wanted. Yes, okay, I'm glad I did that. So if you have been in the market for one of these double pen loops, and I'm pretty sure they had singles as well, and have not been able to get it on Superior Labor, then this is a good alternative. This is, and I got it in the nude, meaning that it will patina. So now the only question is, I should have waited to put these patches on. I just put these on last week knowing that I wanted to put this on here because this is my everyday planner. And so this is where I would like to put that, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get it over these patches. So I don't know, I'll have to play with that. Maybe it can go up here. Okay, we'll figure that out. But anyways, yes, love that. Glad I made that purchase. It's what I was expecting. And the quality is good. The stitching looks really good. I'm not seeing any little pieces of thread poking out or anything. Okay, let's see. Don't remember what this is. Oh, yes. Okay. So this is essentially, it's one of these Traveler Company, but an off-brand, right? So, and it's got coffee, so I got it. And I have to say that, yes, this is as substantial, just as weighty, essentially exactly the same size, very much the same, and feels just as, has as much tension as this one does, which is, for me, that's the most important thing. Honestly, I don't care that these are heavy, you know, metal and all that stuff. Like, personally, I'd rather it not be so heavy, but it's the fact that it's strong enough that the clamp can hold a traveler's notebook in the open position, even if there's a little pressure against it. So this is really nice, and this will go perfect on my coffee notebook. So all in all, a great little haul. I'm super happy with the main reason I ordered. And this was not, so gosh, I'm gonna get these numbers wrong, but this version on Superior Labor, I want to say is around $50. And I'm not going to say it's not worth it, because this is something you're going to use essentially forever, and it's going to get a nice patina and everything. So, you know, it's a good investment if you're using your planner every day. But I want to say this was $28 on AliExpress, and more importantly, it's actually available. So if you've been wanting this and you have been, you know, trying to get it like I have from Superior Labor, you can get essentially the same thing without the Superior Labor branding on it for about the same price. The only thing is, if this will bother you, I'm just pointing this out again, that this loop is definitely smaller than this loop. I don't know that that's intentional or not. It very may well be, because this can take a larger fountain pen and this can take a smaller one. It does not bother me, because I use a lot of different size pens, so honestly, it's probably a good thing, but that may be something that for some people that bothers them. So I'm just pointing that out. So let me know, have you ordered from AliExpress before? Did you like the things you got? If you're not already a subscriber, I'd really appreciate if you could like and subscribe. My channel is very new. I don't have many videos up, but I have actually just filmed like 5 videos over the course of the last week. I do planner, stationery, and art related videos, and I'd love for you to join me. Thank you guys so much. Have a good one.